Today, I'm revealing 10 powerful finance ideas for 2025 that can skyrocket your wealth and secure your financial future. And trust me, number 7 will blow your mind. Stick around till the end because I've got a secret hack that most financial gurus will never tell you. First up, AI-driven investing. Most people still invest the old-fashioned way, but in 2025, AI investing tools like ChatGPT-powered stock analysis and robo-advisors are changing the game. These tools help find high-growth stocks and optimize your portfolio without you lifting a finger. If you're not using AI for investing, you're leaving money on the table. Next, high-yield online savings accounts. Interest rates are rising, and traditional banks are robbing you with low savings rates. In 2025, smart people are moving their money to high-yield online banks, earning 5 to 6% interest instead of 0.01%. Check out Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Ali Bank, or Discover Savings. Now let's talk about digital real estate. Think real estate is just about houses? Think again. Buying digital assets like high-traffic domains and cash-flowing websites is becoming a goldmine. People are flipping websites for 100x their original price. Buy an undervalued domain today, build traffic, and flip it for huge profits. Fourth on the list is investing in fractional real estate. Can't afford a house? No problem. Platforms like Fundrise and Arrived Homes let you own a piece of real estate for as little as $10 and earn passive rental income. Don't wait for real estate to get cheaper. It won't. Automated side hustles are next. 2025 is all about automation. Instead of trading time for money, set up AI-powered businesses like print-on-demand stores, YouTube automation, and affiliate marketing with auto-content generation. Stop working hard, start working smart. Number 6 is the power of index funds. Warren Buffett's top advice? Invest in S&P 500 index funds. They've returned 10% annually for decades with almost zero effort. If you invested just £500 a month in 2000, you'd have £1.5 million today. Now, AI-powered side hustles. If you're not leveraging AI for passive income, you're missing out on six-figure opportunities. AI-based businesses include AI copywriting services, chatbot businesses, and AI-generated art and content licensing. People are making pound 10K a month using AI. Why not you? Next, mastering credit card hacking. Rich people never pay for flights, they use credit card points and travel hacks. With the right strategy, you can fly first class for free, get cash back on everyday spending, and never pay interest while building credit. Start with Chase Sapphire Preferred or Amex Platinum. Ninth, the pound 100K skill you need. The fastest way to make more money? Learn a high-income skill. The top skills for 2025 include AI automation and prompt engineering, coding and cybersecurity, and sales and high-ticket closing. Invest in yourself. The ROI is unbeatable. Finally, the FIRE movement. Why work till 65 when you can retire by 40? The FIRE movement is bigger than ever, helping people escape the 9-to-5 grind by saving 50% plus of income, investing aggressively in ETFs and real estate, and living below their means. Retirement isn't an age, it's a financial number. If you don't start using these 10 money strategies in 2025, you'll be stuck in the same financial cycle while others get rich. Which idea did you like the most? Drop a comment below. Subscribe for more life-changing financial tips.